Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. Y'all excuse my appearance. It is wash day and I am ready to wash my hair, but before I do that, I wanted to talk to you about how I pre-shampoo my hair, also known as pre-pooing. So a pre-poo is a treatment that you put on your hair before you actually wash your hair and clarify it with shampoo and then conditioner afterwards. Pre-pooing is important for me because I just tend to have very dry hair and my hair gets tangled very easily because it has so many different textures. I get a little bit more moisture in my hair and it helps with the detangling process when I'm washing my hair. So if you would like to see how I pre-poo my hair, keep watching, but if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, let's get to some pre-pooing. So my pre-pooing process is very simple. I only use 2 products and then I do have a styling tool that I use. The main product that I use is from African Pride. It's from their Moisture Miracle line and this is their Aloe and Coconut Water Pre-Shampoo. First of all, this is not sponsored. I am not sponsored by African Pride. This is my true, honest review. Y'all, this stuff is my holy grail when it comes to pre-shampoo. This is a brand new one because I had to get a new one because as you can see, I am all out of the last one that I have. I have like a little corner in there that I can use the rest of, but luckily I have a brand new bottle that I can keep using it. So I want to show you all what this looks like and why it makes it so good for pre-poo. It's really because of the slip that it has and the texture that it has. I don't know if you can see that, but you can definitely tell the aloe vera ingredients in here is definitely what helps with your hair to keep the moisture and help with the detangling. The other product is just good old Jamaican black castor oil. I typically only use this oil when I'm pre-pooing or when I'm deep conditioning, just because this oil is a little bit heavier. I don't like to use this oil when I'm styling my hair, just because I don't want my hair to be all oily and greasy, but this stuff is really good for pre-pooing or deep conditioning. So the styling tool I'll be using to deep condition my hair is this beautiful thing. So this is a Q-Redew. This is basically a handheld steamer. I've had this for probably about 3 or 4 years now to steam my hair. Not only does it help with pre-pooing, but when you're trying to just refresh a wash and go or refresh your twist out or braid outs, this is definitely good for when you take your hair down from sleeping at night, and the steam really helps to get the shape back in your hair. So this is also good for that. But today I'll be using it for the pre-poo. This compartment right here holds the water. So you basically want to take this out. You fill this with water, you put it in, and steam will come out. I haven't plugged it up yet, but I'll show you. This thing is not cheap. I think I paid about $75 for this, but definitely a great investment. All right, so I've plugged the steamer in. While that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and just put my hair in sections. Ooh-wee. It's been about a week and a half since I washed my hair. So it is time for a good wash. So basically, I am going to separate my hair down the middle. Whew. And section it off. Dealing with one side at a time. So we'll put that part away. And then we'll work on this side. See just how dry and nasty and detangled my hair is. So we're gonna start with a half of this section. So I'm basically parting this in half as well. And then I'm gonna put this section away. All right, so this is the first section that we're working with. Look at that. So the first thing I'll put on is the Jamaican black castor oil. I like to put this on my hair first and then steam my hair just a little bit first so the oil penetrates my hair. Ooh, it's a lot. Get my ends, get my roots. Can y'all see that steam? Not sure if you can see that, but we have steam, people. So like I said, I like to steam just a little bit with the oil first, just so the heat from the steamer can help my hair absorb this oil and give my hair some moisture. So I'm steaming. I'm not combing it through yet. I'm just steaming it, giving it some heat. And be careful, because this can get hot, so you don't want to burn your hands or burn your face. Definitely want to be careful. So now I'm going to take the pre-shampoo and apply that to this section all over. I try to focus on the tips of my hair and the roots. Just want to work that in. So now we're gonna steam. So I'm gonna start with the tips and steam that first and work my way up. That way it would help with the detangling. And then I'm gonna actually comb through. We're gonna get through the tangles, slowly but surely. Hello, Luna. You staying in or you going out? And we're back. You just gonna go through all the doors? There's a ghost, y'all. Hair is really detangled. But as you can see, we're starting to glide through. Just think how much more easy it's going to be to detangle my hair while I'm washing it. Should literally take me 2 comb throughs with my wide tooth comb in the shower. And that's it. So now my hair is pretty much detangled. See how it just glides right through? Look at that. There was no way I was able to do that before putting on the pre-poo. So then I like to just take my wide tooth comb and do a comb through. Look how easy that is to detangle. Look at that. Very minimal shedding. Some shedding, but I mean, that's normal, but very minimal. And then I'm just going to twist this and get it out of the way for the next section. There you go, one section done. We're gonna move on to the next section. Ooh, Look at that. Ah. That all over the hair. My hair is so dry, y'all. I don't know how I got blessed with the driest hair on the planet. But you work with what you got.
Hey.
Yes, baby.
You on a video?
Yes.
Hey, how everybody doing?
Steam you. So now that I've pre-pooed my hair, it's time to give it a nice wash and condition. So I'll be right back. Whew, all right, I am back. So I just washed my hair and I kind of just wanted you all to see what my hair looks like right out of the shower. So I know it's probably hard to tell in the picture, but the pre-poo makes my hair so soft and so much more manageable. So I definitely recommend this pre-poo from African Pride, and then just using the Jamaican black castor oil. I also recommend using that pre-poo after a protective style. So if you've been wearing braids or like a sew-in where you've had cornrows in or something like that, I definitely recommend using that pre-poo from African Pride because it helps with that detangling process so much so you don't have knots and stuff in your hair. So another recommendation for that. I'm not gonna style my hair. I just kind of wanted you to see what it looks like right out of washing and conditioning my hair. I will do another video where I show you my whole wash day routine, but for this video, I really just wanted to show you what my pre-poo looks like. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.